Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a Chubb rim cylinder, and it's quite a big thing, isn't it? Normally these rim cylinders don't have quite the same sort of faceplate on as this. This is a lot chunkier, and a very long key as well. Surprisingly long, 6 pins, but a long key, very smooth. Clearly been used a lot, people trying to get into the keyway and missing, taking off that shiny coating and leaving the brass underneath. Right, let's try and find a vise this fits in and give it a pick, and if we can pick it, give it a gut. Okay, so we are in the vise, and here's the key. It's got a reasonably good bitting, I think. Sort of highs, then very lows, then mediums, then low again. Just check everything's working smoothly, which it does. And to pick this, we're going to go top of the keyway tension, like that. And I've got a deep monkey paw, which has a little ledge on. And I found that this can go all the way through into the keyway and just feel for those pins. So pin 1 is binding. Lovely click on that. Look how deep my pick's going in, just to get to the back here, pin 6. Into a bit of a false set. 5 now, some counter rotation on 5. Which is okay, but I feel that we have dropped something. Pin 6. Okay, we'll come back to that. Let's go long. Bit of counter rotation on 4. There we go. So 1. Pin 2. Bit of counter rotation on 2. And I think we caught that. I feel 4 again there. Must have dropped it. But we haven't got the false set back, so let's go all the way to the back to 6 and just see whether that's it, or 5. I feel like we haven't, you know, it's like it's caught up in there, but we haven't got our full set fully back yet. Ah, it was 6 there. Okay, that's 6. 5 is still giving us a little bit of a problem. Back to 6. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 6 again. Aha. Okay, so who is left? 1, 2, feels good. 3, 4 feels good. 5 and 6. Okay, so nobody is giving us like really epic counter rotation. So I'm trying to find that one pin which is not fully set. So 6 feels set. 5 feels set. 4 feels set. 3, bit of counter rotation. Gotta be careful. And we got it open. There we go. Some lovely spools in that. That actually felt really nice. Had a bit of a weekend off, so I haven't picked a lock for a few days. Felt a little bit rusty, not going to lie. And we're going to just look at this little clip here. It's not really a circlip, I don't know what you call it, but you can sort of just push it out like that and give that a slide. And since I've got the key, to be honest with you, I can just lock that back up, can't I? So, I don't. Oh, almost took the whole thing out. Pop the key in. And we'll follow that out with a shim if we can. Got a very big gap there, doesn't it? Or if I have a, no, I don't have a follower specific for that, so I will shim it. Make sure that is central. Seems to be okay. And we'll grab a follower and hope for the best. Oh, yeah, nice. Very wide space pins there. If this doesn't have spools in, then I don't know what's going on there. Oh, there is more than meets the eye, I think. So, have a look at this core. and see if you can see what I can see. There appears to be some kind of ledge happening here. Let me get a hook in there and just see whether... Yeah, it's just a ledge. It doesn't feel like it's like countermill. It's just a wide ledge. Very, very curious. Let's see what else we can find going on in here. That's what I like about locks. You don't know what you're expecting, but it feels to me, honestly, like there's a couple of standards and some spools, but you never know what else might present itself. Oh, those are very sharp-lipped spools. That's why they felt so gritty and they hung up. I wonder whether that little ledge... No, that spring doesn't want to come out. I wonder whether that ledge actually does. You go there, you go there. Have an effect with those spools. I wonder if they sort of rest on the edge of the ledge and make it feel like it's a serration as well as a spool. It wouldn't surprise me. So two standard pins in. Let's see if I can get any springs out. Aha! I've got some springs. One standard pin in pin position. I've got a snapped off bit of spring from another lock, not this one. And one. There's a little bit of, there's a spring missing somewhere, or it hasn't come out properly. Where are you? We'll find that in a minute. I don't think it bounced anywhere. Oh, here it is. I found it. There we go. Right. Let's have a look at how these very, very tight lipped spools, can you see these? Will interact with that edge. So they would come up and they would hang. Oh, come here. Come here, you. So they would hang there, and then they would probably catch on this little lip as well. Don't know for sure, but it feels to me like this very, very... You see how thin the lip on the spool is? That feels like it could definitely catch on that ledge. So it has like almost two little shear lines there. I certainly feel it as I pull that up. So I think that's a security feature. Hard to say, but really like it. The spools on this are excellent, has to be said. Definitely an older lock, because I rarely see spools that nice in more modern locks. These are really, really sharp lipped ones. Actually, saying that, in some Asa Abloy locks you get these really sort of very thin lipped spools. They give very, very good counter rotation and catch up in any grooves in the plug there. So yeah, really nice lock. So there you go, Chubb rim cylinder. I hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly enjoyed picking this. Had lots of good feedback, lots of stuff going on there. If you did like this video, drop me a like, it really helps me out. So does a subscription if you think I deserve it. If you have any comments, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.